I made these two tables several years ago out of some floorboard wood. It's made out of broadleaf maple and Brazilian cherry. To make the legs, I used a table saw to cut off the grooved parts of the wood so that I could clamp them up together, and also the borders that go around the edges don't have the grooves on the bottom, so they were flat, I guess, basically. The mistakes I made were that on the first version, you can see the plugs there, the maple plugs and the cherry plugs, and I had used just some screws and exposed the heads of the screws, and it didn't look very good, and I had the screws all crooked, so we drilled bigger holes so that we could put the screws in better and kind of made them more symmetrical. So that was a big difference, and now it doesn't look so shabby. And you can see how I made the leg out of 3 layers of cherry. So one of them, the middle one, has all the grooves on the bottom removed. On this one, the mistake I made was in the mounting of the legs. First of all, they weren't removable, and secondly, they weren't sturdy enough. So what we did to solve that problem under here was make pockets, and the pockets have screws so that you can unscrew the legs and take them out, and also it's much sturdier, so it hasn't broken again. That's great. You can see the floorboard under here and how I removed the back of the things. Then they're covered with Danish oil, and it's drying right now, but it's something you can make pretty easily with some scrap wood left over from a construction project.